Welcome to Convenience Talk. My name is Melanie, and today's topic is how to search for C-Star owners using Louisiana's UST database. So I wanted to first show you this resource on Convenience Talk, which is a blog post. And in this blog post, you'll find links to all the UST databases, and they're organized by state. And so if I go to Louisiana over here and click on this link, it takes me to this page. And if you navigate down the page, what you'll find is this US tank certificate list. And if you bring this up, what you'll get is the location, the DBA, the owner name, along with address information, and the number of tanks. You can export this as well. That's it for Louisiana. My name is Melanie. Thank you for watching this video.